Hey guys.
Hello.
I'm here to explain to y'all why y'all photographer or videographer could sometimes be really expensive. 1. Camera bodies. These bodies here, they can range anywhere from $1,000 to upwards to around $6, $7, sometimes even $8,000 for your average photographer. And a lot of times they need 2 of these. One is a primary and one is a backup, just in case something happens. 2. The lenses. Your average general workhorse lens can run somewhere around $1,000 to $1,400. And again, because you now have 2 bodies, you also need 2 lenses. 3 and 4 are kind of synonymous, they work together. This will be software and subscriptions. These will be tools that we use like Photoshop, Lightroom, DaVinci, and different CRMs to not only organize, but edit and deliver your products. 5, and this is a really big one, this will be our computer hardware.
Yeah, boy, oh, man.
Your average run-of-the-mill computer that we would need to process the type of media that we're producing could run anywhere from $1,200 to $15,000, $16,000, $17,000.
Oh my God!
Depending on the type of workload that we have to do. At 6, which is the most important one out of all of them, will be experience and education.
Of course!
The longer the photographer or filmmaker you're trying to hire has been in the game, and the wider the scope of knowledge they have in their craft, the higher the price is more than likely going to be.